Hey, welcome back to another video of Programmer Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to launch your site on WordPress account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now, at the address bar, type in wordpress.com and click on Enter. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, click on the WordPress icon, which is at the top left corner of the screen. You will see all your sites here. After that, if you want to launch the respective site, hover your mouse to it and click on three dots here. And you can see Launch Site option. Click on it. Now, you need to choose your domain. These are all the paid domains. Scroll down to the bottom of this page and you can click on Skip Purchase button. After that, click on Keep this plan on Free plan. Now, your site has been launched. After that, click on View Site button here. So that is how you can launch your site on WordPress. If you have already launched your site and you want to keep it private, you can do so by clicking on this icon here and click on three dots from here. I have already launched this site and it is set to private. Click on your settings tab and scroll down a little. You can change these privacy settings here. Click on public and save settings to make this site public. After that, go to your icon and you can see that the status of this site are public. If you want to make it private, simply follow the same steps here. So that is how you can launch a site and make it as public or private. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.